Amazon is giving free access to Alexa Plus to everyone in the US with eligible Fire TV devices. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your tech place. Amazon usually charges $20 per month for its AI-powered assistant, though it's always been free for Prime subscribers. Now, you don't have to pay to use it at all if you have compatible devices like current generation Amazon Fire TV Sticks, Fire TV Cube, Amazon Ember Smart TVs, and other smart TVs with Alexa Plus built in, such as those made by Hisense and Panasonic. The company unveiled its upgraded Alexa experience in February after years of development. Unlike the old Alexa, which requires you to know keywords or key phrases for voice commands, Alexa Plus can understand natural language. Now, instead of asking it to play a specific series, you can ask it for recommendations. You can say, "Show me historical dramas with strong female leads," and then refine it further by saying, "Recommend me something newer." You can also ask it for context about what you're watching. If you have other smart home devices, you can also talk to Alexa Plus to control them. You can tell Alexa to show you the front door to bring up footage from the camera in front of your home to your connected TV, or to lock the door if you have a smart lock. Amazon says users talk to Alexa Plus almost twice as much as they did with the old one because it can understand conversational questions and requests, and it can now reach even more devices and regions in the future. While free access to the assistant is currently limited to US customers, Alexa Plus is also available in the UK, Canada, Mexico, Italy, Spain, Germany, Austria, Brazil, and France. The company plans to roll out the AI assistant to more countries this year and to 10 further regions in 2027. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.